Hey friends! Keep your vehicle's interior pristine with these innovative cleaning gels, designed to effortlessly trap dust in the tightest crevices. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car cleaning gel in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the TeSabMi Car Cleaning Gel. This multi-purpose wonder is expertly engineered to navigate the most challenging corners of your vehicle, from narrow air vents to complex dashboard consoles. It utilizes a high-performance, non-toxic formula that acts like a magnet for stubborn debris, lifting away grime without leaving behind any messy chemical residue on your surfaces. Its delightful, light fragrance enhances the cleaning experience, making the process feel like a treat rather than a chore. Because it is highly reusable, you can rely on this consistent performer for months of deep cleaning. Beyond your car, it is equally effective at tackling dust in keyboards, remote controls, and various household electronics, proving its exceptional versatility for any tidy home. Next up, our second product, the Ticarve Car Cleaning Gel. This advanced cleaning solution specializes in deep-reaching suction, effectively pulling out pet hair, food crumbs, and microscopic dust from deep inside cup holders and intricate steering wheel stitching. Crafted from sophisticated, environmentally friendly materials, the Putty boasts a refreshing Provençal scent that neutralizes odors while it works. The clever non-residue formula ensures your hands stay clean while you press and roll the gel across your gadgets or car interior. It is remarkably durable, maintaining its elasticity and pickup power over dozens of uses until the color naturally darkens. Whether you are prepping for a road trip or simply organizing your workspace, this high-efficiency tool provides a reliable, cost-effective way to maintain a flawless, dust-free environment everywhere. Coming in at number 3, the Click Clean Car Cleaning Gel. Designed with a focus on safety and sustainability, this exceptional cleaning putty is completely free from harsh chemicals, ensuring it remains gentle on your skin during prolonged use. Its unique composition allows it to penetrate even the deepest crevices, capturing accumulated dirt and grime with a single simple press and lift motion. It is an incredibly economical choice for busy owners, as each batch can be reused repeatedly until it is visibly saturated with trapped dust particles. Because it works so well on delicate items like printers, calculators, and electric fans, it serves as an indispensable assistant for both office productivity and vehicle maintenance. This product is a fantastic, worry-free investment for those who value clean living spaces and want a quick, effective way to refresh their belongings. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Color Coral Car Cleaning Gel. This premium cleaning agent stands out for its soft, resilient texture that glides into the most awkward ventilation gaps and door handle recesses with absolute ease. Available in several refreshing scents like lemon and rose, it leaves your car's interior smelling as clean as it looks after every single application. The gel's natural ingredients are safe for all materials, ensuring that it never damages your dashboard or upholstery while it diligently collects dust. It arrives in beautiful packaging, making it a thoughtful and highly practical gift choice for car enthusiasts or anyone who appreciates a well-maintained vehicle. Its remarkable consistency and ease of storage make it a superior, must-have staple for your glove compartment, ensuring you are always ready for a quick, professional-level interior detailing session. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Ticarve Car Cleaning Gel. Distinguished by its captivating cherry blossom aroma, this version of the popular cleaning putty delivers a premium sensory experience alongside its powerful dirt-trapping performance. It is specifically formulated to be incredibly sticky to debris but remarkably soft on your hands, preventing the common frustration of sticky remnants being left behind on surfaces. The high-tech material is perfect for rapid detailing, especially when you need to quickly refresh your center console or remove hair from fabric seats. By simply storing it back in its container after each use, you can preserve its integrity for an extended period, maximizing its value for your budget. It remains a top-tier choice for those seeking a highly efficient, compact, and aromatic solution for both automotive interior detailing and cleaning sensitive electronic office equipment. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below. we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.